Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at KickEX. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their Kick token, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. In 2017, KickICO was launched as the world's first crypto crowdfunding platform, and more than 35 startups have been launched successfully using KickICO. Since 2018, KickEX has evolved into a powerful, multi-asset crypto trading platform with a staking program, a native platform token, and a wide range of tradable assets. KickEX is trusted by over 1.3 million users globally, and is partnered with several leading international brands, including Forbes, Coingecko and Coinmarketcap. KickEX offers competitive trading conditions, white label solutions, a secure wallet, an academy for beginners, and so much more. This is a highly sophisticated platform with a wide range of products and services that go far beyond simply trading cryptocurrencies. So let's find out why KickEX is one of our top-rated crypto exchanges. The KickEX ecosystem consists of a native token, an ICO or initial coin offering platform for startups, a digital wallet, an exchange, and a referral program. Kick token, or Kick, is KickEX's native BEP20 token, and it can be used to reduce trading fees or pay for fees using this token. By owning Kick tokens, you can pay 25% of your trading fees using the token and get an additional discount of up to 25% of your trading fees. The Kick token also gives you exclusive access to new token listings and is an important component of KickICO. You can also stake your Kick tokens for daily returns on the tokens you aren't using. This token adds a higher level of utility to the platform as a whole and brings trading fees down to almost zero. KickEX offers dozens of popular cryptocurrencies and altcoins, and more than 50 tradable pairs from products such as Solana, Near Protocol, Polygon, Decentraland, and many others. You can also use Kick tokens in some of the trading pairs offered, and daily price changes can be viewed by clicking on the Markets tab. If you are curious about the KickEX exchange, you can view it without opening an account by clicking on the Trade tab. The KickEX exchange can process up to 1 million transactions per second on average, and it shows detailed charts of each trading pair with updated order books and a user-friendly interface. You will also have access to a great selection of drawing tools, order types, and indicators that you can use to identify patterns and market trends. And charts can be viewed in 7 different styles. KickEX also offers a mobile trading platform that you can use to manage your orders, customize your trading alerts, and monitor your performance so that you can build your portfolio with confidence. If you are new to trading, we recommend visiting the KickEX Academy to learn more about investments, fintech, and crypto trading, and to familiarize yourself with important terminology. KickEX provides a great selection of beginner's guides and articles to help you get started, and you'll find all the latest news on the homepage. You can also participate in KickEX's contests to stand a chance at winning your share of the prize pools, and you can see all the active and completed contests by clicking on the Contests tab. KickEX started off as an ICO platform and is still a trusted platform in the crypto and blockchain community for crowdfunding and startup support. Whether you're developing your first blockchain application or you're interested in supporting upcoming projects and adding their tokens to your portfolio, all you need to do is click on the menu icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen and head over to the KickICO page. Here you will find all the latest projects, and you can explore each one individually to learn more about it. More than 35 startups have successfully raised funds using KickICO, and this ICO platform was the first of its kind in the crypto space. Creating an account with KickEX is simple and easy, and you can create an account in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the KickEX homepage, and then click on the Register button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified, set up and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. With the KickEX referral program, you can permanently earn reward points, or RP, and receive account credits for each successful referral. All you need to do is create an account, invite some friends, and wait for them to join. And basically, whenever they trade on KickEX, a portion of the trading fees they pay will be paid to you. Once you've created a KickEX account, you will automatically have access to your Kick wallet. Your KickEX wallet can be used to securely store all your cryptocurrencies and altcoins, and you can easily make deposits and withdrawals when using this wallet. If you are already using a different wallet, all you would need to do is copy your wallet address and paste it into the wallet address field when you make a withdrawal. There are other wallets that you can use if you are looking for more utility or security, and we recommend using MetaMask, Ledger, or Trust Wallet. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. Trust Wallet is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a great option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. Once you have created an account with KickEX, you will be able to buy and sell crypto from the exchange. Simply fund your account, click on the Markets tab, and choose an instrument. When you click on the instrument you would like to trade, you will be redirected to the exchange, where you can personalize your workspace and set your order parameters. Once that is done, all you need to do is confirm your trade by clicking on Buy or Sell. If you require assistance with anything else after you have created your account, the KickEX customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can contact them via live chat or email. Direct email addresses can be found on the Contacts page, and you can also click on the live chat button to connect with them from the website. We would also recommend visiting the Support Center to learn more about how the KickEX ecosystem works, and to read detailed articles about account management, security features, and other general questions about trading on the KickEX exchange. So what do we like about KickEX? KickEX started off as a revolutionary fundraising platform for startups, and since then, expanded its product offering and is trusted by more than 1 million users worldwide. This platform is beginner-friendly, but also offers a powerful exchange with advanced trading tools to give professional traders a competitive edge. KickEX is compliant with strict anti-money laundering and data protection policies, and is a safe exchange for trading, storing and staking cryptocurrencies. For every person that joins KickEX using your unique referral code, both of your accounts will be credited, and it is not a once-off bonus. The KickEX welcome bonus is only available for a limited time, so if you are interested, be sure to open your KickEX account today and bring a friend along with you to boost your account balance and get a head start on your trading career with one of the leading online exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of KickEX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.